In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule emails to send later in Gmail. Scheduling emails is really useful when you want a message to arrive at a specific time, like during someone's work hours, or when you're working late but don't want your email to show up in the middle of the night. Gmail has a built-in scheduling feature, and it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to use. On the main inbox screen, look for the button that says Compose, usually found in the upper left corner. Go ahead and click on Compose. This opens a new message window where you can write your email. In this new message window, enter the email address of the person you want to send the message to in the To field. Then add a clear subject line so the recipient knows what the email is about. After that, type out the body of your email as you normally would. Take a moment to review for spelling, tone, and any attachments you might need to include. It's especially important to double-check scheduled emails because you might forget about them once they're set. Now, instead of clicking the regular Send button, look closely at that button. You'll see a small arrow or drop-down icon right next to Send. This arrow is the key to scheduling. Move your cursor over to that small arrow and click it. When you click the arrow beside Send, a small menu will appear. In that menu, choose the option that says Schedule Send. Gmail will then show you a few suggested times, such as later today, tomorrow morning, or next week. You can pick one of these suggestions if it fits your needs. If you want a specific date and time, look for the option to select a custom time. A calendar and time selector will appear, allowing you to choose the exact day and hour you want your email to go out. Once you've selected the date and time, confirm your choice. Gmail will now schedule your email to be sent automatically at that time. If you ever need to review or change it, you can go to the Scheduled folder in Gmail, open the message, and either cancel the schedule or reschedule it. And that's all you need to schedule emails to send later in Gmail.